San Diego Lee, you're on the Savage Nation. What's on your mind? Go ahead, please.
Yes, Mr. Savage, I listen to conservative talk radio a great deal. And one of the things that I often hear you refer to as it relates to the white male and this war or things that are being raised against the white male in America, what I hear is frustration because the bottom line, Mr. Savage, white rulership or white domination, which in truth stems from white supremacy, that day is over. And it's coming.
All right, let me see. I'll take your paranoid fantasy of black rule. Let me ask you something. Where on earth does black supremacy show equality for people?
Wait a second. Why would you take something that we know to be an actual fact?
Oh, you didn't answer my question. Don't ask me another question. I'll ask you a question. It's my show. Don't try to scare me with your garbage. You're telling me that the model of Africa is what we should look forward to? That's what we should look forward to, is a rule like in Mugabe's country or in South Africa, the AIDS capital of the universe? Tell me where we should look to black leadership as an example of what the world should be following.
Mr. Savage, you're doing what all of the conservatives...
No, Mr. Sir. No. You're doing what you're doing, which is trying to propose black supremacy. I'm asking you to show me one country on earth where black supremacists rule, where people have it better than in the United States of America. Can you do that, sir?
Why are you flipping the coin?
Why? Why? Because you bent the coin. I'm straightening the coin out. You gave me a twisted coin.
This is what conservative radio does. This is what you're famous for. And, you know, the
You can't answer the question, so you're going around it. I'm asking you again. Show me one nation ruled by black people where the people have a better life than they do in the United States of America, or where black people who rule a nation rule it with any more equality than you find in America. Can you show me that nation, sir?
I'll tell you that nation. I belong to that nation, and it's right here in America, and it's called the Nation of Islam, sir.
Oh, I see. I knew that was underneath the surface. I knew that was underneath the surface. So you're going to allege that Islam is a more democratic force than the United States of America?
I'm gonna assertion that the teachings of the
Can you show me one Islamic nation where women have the equality that they have in the United States of America? Tell me how you people treat your women.
I just told you, the Nation of Islam, not
the Nation of Islam. I asked you a question. Show me how women are treated in the Nation of Islam. Teach America why you have a superior treatment of women than America does.
First of all, you would never hear us on talk radio bashing women the way you white male.
Oh, you're twisting it again. You treat women like animals. You treat them like cattle.
Hey, Dr. Savage.
You put women in cloaks in order to cover them up because you're afraid of your women. You are afraid of your women because they're smarter than you. And the only power you have is the power over your women.
Now what are you?
The only power you have is the power to oppress your women.
Where are you getting those facts?
I'll be right back. No, I'm still here. I'm not going to waste my time with an ignoramus like him. That's all. Everyone caters. A guy calls, he's black, right away they're on their hands and knees. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. I had enough of this garbage. I heard this before. He's a black supremacist, and he's a black Muslim supremacist, and they're never going to rule America. Never in a million years.